Body recovered from Lancashire River is that of Nicola Bulley, the police have confirmed after a formal identification was done. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Nicola Bulley family and friends' worst fears were realized after the body that was pulled from the Lancashire River has been confirmed to be that of the missing 45-year-old woman who went missing 24 days ago. Officers confirmed that the body that was found yesterday is that of the 45-year-old mortgage advisor that was missing for some time now. Lancashire Constabulary Force said that they have identified her after a body was found by two walkers in the undergrowth near the village of St. Michael's on the Wyre on Sunday. The 45-year-old mortgage advisor who went missing 24 days ago was discovered less than a mile from where she was last seen walking her dog after dropping off her two daughters at school on January 27. Lancashire Police provided a statement in which they have stated that this is now in the hands of the coroner after they are trying to establish what might have caused her death. Speaking at a press conference on Monday, the Assistant Chief of the Constabulary Force, Peter Lawson, said that sadly we can now confirm that the body that was discovered yesterday is that of Nicola Bulley that was pulled from the Wyre River. Nicola Bulley's family have been informed of the development and are devastated based on the news. Our thoughts are with them at this time, as well as all her loved ones and the wider community. This came as a shock to the family after it was previously theorized that her body might not be in the river. We're going to go over now to the Lancashire Police, who provided an update about the case earlier today.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sadly, we are now able to confirm that yesterday we recovered Nicola Bulley from the River Wyre. Nicola's family have been informed and are of course devastated. Our thoughts are with them at this time, as well as with all her loved ones and the wider community. We recognise the huge impact that Nicola's disappearance has had on her family and friends, but also on the people of St. Michael's. We would like to thank all of those who have helped during what has been a hugely complex and highly emotional investigation. Today's development is not the outcome any of us would have wanted, but we hope that at least it can begin to provide some answers for Nicola's loved ones. They remain foremost in our thoughts. The case is now being handled by His Majesty's Coroner. The family have asked that we read a statement on their behalf. I now hand over to Detective Chief Superintendent Pauline Stables to do that.
Nicola's family have asked that we release the following statement on their behalf as follows. Our family liaison officers have had to confirm our worst fears today. We will never be able to comprehend what Nikki had gone through in her last moments, and that will never leave us. We will never forget Nikki. How could we? She was the centre of our world. She was the one who made our lives so special, and nothing will cast a shadow over that. Our girls will get the support they need from the people who love them the most. And it saddens us to think that one day we will have to explain to them that the press and members of the public accuse their dad of wrongdoing, misquoted and vilified friends and family. This is absolutely appalling. They have to be held accountable. This cannot happen to another family. We tried last night to take in what we have been told in the day, only to have Sky News and ITV making contact with us directly when we expressly asked for privacy. They again have taken it upon themselves to run stories about us, to sell papers and increase their own profits. It is shameful they have acted in this way. Leave us alone now. Do the press and other media channels and so-called professionals not know when to stop? These are our lives and our children's lives. To those who genuinely helped and supported us privately, we thank you. The community support in St Michael's, friends, neighbours and strangers has been nothing short of comforting and heartwarming. Friends, you know who you are, thank you. Our hearts truly break for others who have missing loved ones. Keep that hope alive. Finally, Nikki, you are no longer a missing person. You have been found. We can let you rest now. We love you, always have and always will. We will take it from here. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
So that was a statement from the Lancashire Police Department providing an update in relation to the body that was discovered yesterday morning around 11:30, and that has now been confirmed to be that of Miss Nicola Bulley, age 45 years old, who was said to be a mortgage advisor who had been missing for some time now. So in that report, the police provided the time that her body was discovered, and also in a previous report they actually took the time to provide more details about the actual case itself and try to bring some level of closure and understanding to the whole entire situation that has gotten global publicity since she went missing. The police also took the time to express their condolences to the family at this time, as the police know that they are going through a difficult time and this is not the news that they have expected. Links 007 TV though will continue to track this story and will provide you with the latest information to come on this story, but this is a real devastating news coming outside of Lancashire. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest to come on this. Thanks for watching.